Yes, you heard right. Here's an uncountable noun or countable noun. This is countable noun. How can you say so कि hair एक countable noun है? So let's see. When referring to an individual strands of hair, it is countable. And when we are talking about collectively, such as hairs on someone's head, that is uncountable. I'm going to write it over here so that you guys can understand it in a better way. See, hair can be countable or uncountable. It totally depends on the context. आप किस context में use कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पे hair का use आ रहा है, वहाँ पे उसके according hair can be countable or uncountable. I'm gonna give you few examples. It will clarify your doubt. क्योंकि जनरली ये देखा गया है कि बच्चों में बहुत डाउट होता है इस चीज को लेके कि मैम हेयर काउंटेबल है या अनकाउंटेबल है. When we talk about stars, stars are also countable now. You know that thing? Example for countable noun. I found 3 hairs on your shirt. I found 3 hairs on your shirt. Here we can count the 3 hair. We can count 1 here with the help of 1, 2, 3. So this is countable. There is one more example. She plucked 2 gray hairs from her shirt. She plucked 2 gray hair from her head. Here also here is countable now. So when we talk about uncountable, so how can we consider uncountable noun? So uncountable noun की अगर हम बात करते हैं, तो hair can be used as uncountable. In most of the cases we use this hair as an uncountable noun, but yes, hair can be countable noun. So how so countable must be clear in your mind. Now let's talk about the uncountable noun. When referring to hair collectively, when we talk about hair collectively, such as all the hair on someone's head. That is like, say for example, she has curly hair. She has curly hair. So here hair can be considered as an uncountable noun, or else we can say her hair is long. There also hair can be considered as uncountable noun. So it totally depends on the context. I hope you must have understood this. So if you want to learn such facts about countable and uncountable noun, so I would suggest you To take the advantage of big summer sale. Yes, you heard right, क्योंकि उत्कर्ष पर चल रहा है big summer sale live. 13 million subscriber complete होने पर you will be getting extra 13% off, है ना ये bonanza? Let's see, you will be getting 30% off with this coupon. अगर आप इस coupon को apply करते हैं तो आपको 13% का extra discount मिलता है. और हाँ, ये चीज याद रखना कि ये ऑफर सिर्फ लिमिटेड है 28 जून तक. And what else is there about this offer? 6 to 8 के कोर्सेज जो अभी तक आपको मिल रहे थे 15,000 के अंदर, यू विल बी गेटिंग दीज कोर्सेज इन ओनली 2500. 9 and 10 का कोर्स जो 20,000 में मिल रहा था वो मिलेगा सिर्फ 3600 के अंदर. और व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट 11th and 12th आर्ट्स एंड साइंस, 25,000 का कोर्स है आपका 4200 पर. एंड कूपन कोड अप्लाई करें एंड यू कैन गेट 13% एक्स्ट्रा. सो व्हाट्स सो स्पेशल अबाउट दिस कोर्स? क्या स्पेशलिटी है? लेट्स सी दैट. Special features of Prime Batch. Prime Batches के special features क्या है? That you will be getting complete syllabus. Board classes में जो है उन्हें मिलेगा complete syllabus. Apart from that, crash course भी आपको available कराया जाएगा और उसके साथ में आपको मिलने वाले हैं model papers. अब अगर हम बात करें non board aspirants के लिए, जो non board classes के बच्चे हैं उन्हें complete syllabus मिलेगा अपने curriculum का, क्रैश कोर्स प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा और उन्हें इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर्स प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे. दे विल बी गेटिंग इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर्स फॉर दैट. सो आई होप this must be beneficial for you. So get the advantage of this opportunity as soon as you can. Thank you.